from theSongbirdTree.com, and today I'm going to give you 4 incredible tips to help you sing with the best vocal tone. If you apply these, you are going to sound better than ever. Now before I do want to ask you a question though. Do you know what is the #1 thing that you could do in order to really enhance your vocal tone that has absolutely nothing to do with vocal exercises? Food for thought. I will tell you a bit more at the end, so make sure you watch until then. But for now, let's get right into my 4 incredible tips. #1, let freedom ring. I want you to stop singing with strain and also to stop pulling up in your chest voice. So what I mean is this: go, 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 right? We want you to stop sounding like a cat is strangling you or that you are a strangled cat, okay? Now, I'm not saying you sound like that, but you know, when we actually sing with strain, it sometimes can feel like that, and I want you to be rid of that. So here's an incredible exercise that's going to help you. It is my lazy and dopey and dumb gugs. So it goes like this. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Now the key to this one, songbirds, is you've got to make it sound dumb and dopey. If it's pretty, go, 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 then we're not quite achieving what we want to achieve, right? We want your larynx to be low. We want your whole throat to be very free. So let's do it and let's make it dumb and dopey. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Is it dumb and dopey? Go, 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 go. 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 Well done. Go, 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 go. And the higher we go, the dumber it's got to get. Go, 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 go. 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 Awesome job. Go, 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 go. 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 Keep it on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Well done. So that one has helped you to take away strain and to stop pulling up into your chest voice, and that is going to significantly improve your vocal tone. Are you ready for #2? #2, do the crocodile jaw drop. Okay, so here, this is a really easy tweak, but it it yields amazing results, okay? So a lot of the time we tend to sing with a clenched jaw, you know, like that. But no, we wanna actually make sure our jaw is very dropped. And I want you to think about it as if you're like a crocodile and you're like, opening up your jaw, okay? It's gonna feel a little bit weird, but that's so cool, all right? Because you know what? We're just trying to access something right now. So here we go. In order to really help you be relaxed in your jaw and in your tongue and in your larynx further, we're gonna drop the jaw like a crocodile. So here we go. We're gonna go like this. Ra, 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 ra. 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 Are you dropping your jaw like a crocodile right now? As we go higher, I need you to exaggerate that. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. So good. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Got 2 more. Ra, 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 ra. Ra, 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 ra. Amazing! All right, tip #3. I want you to sing like you sing in the shower. What do I mean by that? Do you ever get in the shower, you start singing, you're like, oh my goodness, my voice is like ringing around me. What's happening there is something called resonance. Your voice is literally bouncing off the hard surfaces in your shower, i.e. the tiles. And so they're coming right back at you. You know, if your shower was filled with carpet, it would just absorb the sound. But because it's actually filled with tiles, hard surface, it bounces right back at you and you're like, oh my goodness, I sound amazing, right? Well, guess what? You can actually do that with your body. You can create this same resonance with your body. And so that the sound bounces off the hard surfaces in your face. In other words, it bounces off your bones and your teeth. How cool is that? So this exercise is going to help you with that. We're going to do the chewy So everybody, pretend you've got, delicious tasting bubblegum in your mouth for me right now, and just go Are you feeling the buzz there? All right, very good. That is the resonance that we're trying to create, okay? So we are going to do a chewy Here we go, it goes like this. And you're gonna chew on it, yes. And you're gonna feel that buzz there. Amazing. Keep chewing on it. Feeling that buzz? Well done. Very good, Songbird. Awesome, we're nearly done. Awesome. Fantastic. All right, if you're loving this video right now, could you please help out the channel and help other songbirds just like you, find this video so that they too can improve their vocal tone just by giving it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And the lucky last fourth tip to help you sing with great vocal tone is to create a cathedral effect inside your throat. Have you ever been inside a cathedral or just a place that had really, really high ceilings, and even when you talk, you kind of hear yourself echo back at you, right? Just an incredible place for acoustics and really good for hearing the resonance of sound. But you can create that inside your throat, right? And one incredible way to do that is to lift your soft palate. Now, what is the soft what? The soft palate, all right? So if you stick your finger into your mouth, I know it's a bit gross, but that's okay, all right? Right at the back of at the roof of your mouth, you will feel some soft tissue. That part there, that's your soft palate. And what we want is to lift that up so that your vocal folds have much space to vibrate freely, and they're just like, yes, I'm so happy, okay? So we need you to lift that up. And then when your vocal folds have that freedom, your vocal tone is going to sound so much freer and better. So how do we lift the soft palate? There's a couple of ways, but today we're going to talk about the yawn stretch. Everybody pretend you're really tired and just go Now, what did you observe? Did you feel that sense of lift inside the back of your mouth, at the roof of your mouth? Did you feel that? If you did, that's your soft palate lifting up, okay? So what we're going to do is whenever you sing something, right, as you're preparing to sing, so before you sing the phrase, right, just as you're actually preparing your breath, you're also simultaneously going to lift your soft palate. You're going to pretend to yawn, but you're not going to fully yawn. You're going to go as if you're about to yawn. When you do that, you lift the soft palate, give freedom for the vocal folds to vibrate, and then your vocal tone is going to be so much better. Now, Songbird, I asked you a very important question at the beginning of this video. What is the one thing that you could do to improve your vocal tone that has absolutely nothing to do with vocal exercises? And that is this. You must sing with authentic and emotional intent. So what I mean is that you must sing from your heart. You must tell a story. Your first and foremost goal when you sing a song should be to express authentically what you are feeling. So when you do that, it is actually going to do wonders for your vocal tone. It's going to bring in dynamics, louds and softs, crescendos and decrescendos, which you probably didn't even plan, but they just come through naturally as you express the song with authenticity and with emotional intent. If you want to learn more how to do that, please go and check out my video, How to Sing with Dynamics, right here, and that's going to take you through some incredible exercises to help you to actually sing with emotional intent and to create amazing, beautiful dynamics that will help you sound much better, change your vocal tone. Alright Songbird, fantastic work today. I am so proud of you. Why don't you go and check out another one of my videos that's again going to help you improve your singing and your vocal tone. It is called How to Sing Like a Pro, and it is here. And of course, if you want to go deeper, make sure you go and check out my online singing programs at www.thesongbirdtree.com. Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you. So why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.